Meet SmartFactory, your partner in your paperless and smart factory transformation that increases your productivity by preventing losses in your production. With the SmartFactory production management system, remotely monitor, plan, and manage all machines in your production track with easy and fast installation without the need for extra hardware. Thanks to real-time data collection and artificial intelligence-supported modules, manage your entire production track on a tablet or computer with our user-friendly interface. Easily send your work orders to the machines remotely to keep your production running without interruption and start production quickly with the automatic programming option. Then let your operator complete the process by starting the work order with just one click. With SmartFactory, which can be integrated into ERP systems, you can follow your production processes from anywhere you want and realize your work orders and planning. With SmartFactory, you can control the quality control phases quickly and easily, thus guaranteeing customer satisfaction. Although it is never desired, there may be unexpected stops in your production. You can take instant action against these situations and make your maintenance plans. Our artificial intelligence-powered monitoring and analysis systems optimize every step of your production line, detect potential problems in advance, and ensure continuous production. With reports based on real-time and historical data, the control of the production process is completely in your hands. Experience the production technology of the future today with SmartFactory.